Caught on camera, the deadly shooting of a Hermitage teenager. Good evening and welcome to News 2 at 6. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilkes. We know who you are. Those are the words from a mother after her son was chased into a Hermitage apartment while being shot at multiple times. The whole thing, as you see here, was captured on a neighbor's Ring doorbell camera.
The suspect, who Metro Police say has not been identified, appeared to be wearing a mask. News 2's Kendall Ashman spoke with the 19-year-old's mother, who wants to honor her son.
This is the biggest smile on my baby's face. I love it so much.
Emily Flippo says this is how she wants to remember her oldest son, Jaden.
Jaden grew up being, I guess he always had the man in the house mentality.
One of 8 siblings and a proud father to his 2-year-old daughter. But Emily says her entire world flipped upside down on Sunday morning.
And I got the call in front of my kids, in front of everybody, in front of all of them.
She was told that her son had been chased into this apartment building by a masked suspect with a gun. A neighbor capturing the moment the shooter fired multiple shots before running off. You can see the bullet holes outside the apartment door.
But I do know who you are. We all know who you are. You took away my son.
Emily says until someone is arrested, she will keep fighting, even with a broken heart.
And this is a pain that I pray to God nobody ever has to feel. And I know that there are so many mothers and fathers out there who's been through this, and I don't see how they survive. Because it's like a part of me was murdered right along with my son.
In Hermitage, Kendall Ashman, News 2.
A 35-year-old woman was also wounded in the shooting and has been treated and released from an area hospital. A GoFundMe for Jaden's family has been set up. It's on our website at WKRN.com if you would like to donate.